Hello, here are some of my experiences from my public health and community placement on Thursday Island. One of the best parts of placement was being able to immerse myself in the local community by attending events and being able to form lifelong friendships with other students on TI. I also had the amazing opportunity to attend the local NAIDOC Day celebrations at the school. The event featured a feasting, singing, and traditional dancing. It was beautiful to see how important culture was to the local community. Of course, there were some challenges. There were issues with the barge not being able to restock the local store, which meant that there was no fresh produce, and I experienced food insecurity firsthand. Accommodation was also a struggle. I had to move several times, which left me feeling quite isolated from my peers. But despite these setbacks, I found ways to adapt and make the most of the situation. Even with the challenges, I felt deeply connected to both my peers and the local community members. I always felt welcomed and accepted by the organization that I worked with. That feeling of belonging made all the difference. Before my placement, I was considering rural work but felt unsure whether I could go through with it. Now, having experienced life in a remote community, I realize it's not as daunting as I once thought. Life moved at a slower pace and I really enjoyed that. It gave me a sense of purpose and belonging, knowing I could have a positive impact on the community. This experience has definitely encouraged me to pursue a rural path in the future. I'm incredibly grateful for the support from the Going Rural North Scholarship. It really helped to lift the financial burden associated with rural placement, allowing me to fully focus on my work. This has made the entire experience much more rewarding. If I could give any advice to students going rural or remote, it would be to go with an open mind and an open heart, to say yes to new experiences and take every opportunity to participate in community events. Also, be prepared to roll with the punches. Things can change really quickly, and being able to pivot and adapt will help you get through any unexpected challenges.